This here is an old Tasky I rigged up. Brad wanted to see this, so I thought I'd make a quick video. Now the difference with this here is I've got a little central vac valve on the front of it. And so it's like a portable central vac. If you open it up here, you see I've got a bag inside it as well, so now I've done some modifications to this, and it does have a condo-sized central vac motor in it. And this plug here, which you think was for the power nozzle, is actually now for the inlet valve for the 24-volt switch. I've even put a plug-in on the side of it here to compensate for the power nozzle. So let me show you how this works. Just plug in your valve here. Then you take your plug here, plug that in, and you go to your switch. And now you have your own little portable central vac.